everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm Miss Lish here at the Well, and today I have my assistants, Professor Bear and Miss Unicorn, and we are making Unicorn Fizz. All you need are simple ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. In this baking pan, I have spread out some baking soda, and I've topped it with some glitter. I've also filled a cup up with some vinegar. I have food coloring, 3 different colors, some plastic cups for dividing my vinegar, and pipettes. Now, we bought these pipettes in bulk. If you don't have pipettes, a small spoon will work just as well, or if you have any old medicine droppers, they work the same as a pipette. So I've already spread out my baking soda and my glitter. Now I'm going to pour a little bit of vinegar into each cup. You don't need too much. You can always add more later. 1, 2, 3. Start adding some food coloring. Yellow. Red. Oh, I'm getting really excited to see what happens. And blue. I can give my cups a little swirl to make sure that they are all mixed together. And I'll add a pipette to each cup. Can you guess what the next step is? That's right. We are going to use our pipettes to squeeze a little bit of our colored vinegar onto our baking tray. Do you know what's going to happen when I mix the vinegar and the baking soda together? That's right, it's going to cause a reaction. Let's see what it looks like. 3, 2, 1. Whoa, it's so fizzy. Very cool. Now I'm going to add some red right next to the blue. Oh, the glitter is floating to the very top of the bubbles. I see why they call it unicorn fizz now. Because unicorns and glitter go together like peanut butter and jelly, don't they? All that glitter is floating right to the top of the bubbles. Wow, so much fun. I want to try adding a lot of glitter to a spot. You see all that glitter? This is an experiment. We always have more glitter here. Spread it out a little bit. See what happens if I add the yellow, if all that glitter is going to float to the top. That's my prediction. Let me add it closer to the camera. Okay, see? 3, 2, 1. Wow, sparkly bubbles. I was right. The glitter floats to the top of the bubbles. So much fun. This is a great activity to do on a rainy day, any day you want. Take it outside, and if it spills, no big deal. I hope you have a lot of fun doing this. Remember to like and subscribe for more videos, and always be well. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.